Hi, this is Flash with the United Handyman Association with Handyman Answers. Hi, so I want to talk to you today about something that a handyman should not go without. It's cheap, inexpensive. It is a must for every business to have in every industry. And your business is no different than any others. So doctors, lawyers, realtors, dentists, you name it, they all have an association that speaks for them, that stands up for them, that advocates for them, and also offers them discounts and services to help them run their businesses successfully. So as of 2009, you have, as a handyman, your own trade association, which is the United Handyman Association, offering certification programs, verification, registration, offering, business services. Now you can get web hosting. Certified members get free web hosting. Bottom line is, this is a service that you should not be going without. And it is as low as 13 cents a day. It's like $50 a year dues for a registered member, which is a tax write-off as well. But you supporting your industry by becoming a member of your association that's advocating for you is also helping. It's going to help change laws. It's going to help regulate and help make the industry safer and more profitable. For example, we're working with states trying to raise limits, trying to make home repair, which is not really under a contractor's classification, exempt. So we want to make home repair exempt, and we want to raise the limits in your state. Now, in order to do this, we have to go through state legislators. Now, the very first question that every state asks is, how many voters basically do we represent? How many members do we represent in your state? How many people are we advocating for? So you not being a member of your association isn't helping. The only way you can possibly help your business and your association be able to make more money and be able to have more rights is by joining your trade association, because you are not going to do it alone, just like we are not going to be able to do it without you. So you joining the association and paying as little as $50 a year, even if you wanted to just join and basically support your industry without getting any benefit, $50 a year is nothing, and it's a tax write-off. Verified members, you have the ability to be able to verify who you are, your business documents, get a web page through the UHA where customers can search for you and see, kind of as an independent reference, that we have screened you, we have verified who you are, we have verified your insurance, we maintain and monitor and make sure that your insurance is accurate and current. Then there's the certification program. Businesses can go through a background screening, take an exam, submit their documents. No different than what a contractor does. The difference between a contractor is a contractor is limited to their contractor's license, and in some states they're limited to what they can do, just like a handyman. The difference being, for a handyman can typically do everything and one thing, where a contractor has to typically do a minimum jobs, a minimum, type of jobs, different classifications to be able to work within their license, where the handyman can do one job or multiple jobs. And in most states, a handyman can do anything. There's just limits on how much they can charge. Now, the other thing that sets the certified handyman versus over the contractor is a general contractor. If they happen to take some money and don't complete a job, the customer has very little recourse on that. The state will basically tell them you can file a small claims, you can file with small claims court, but with the UHA, a certified handyman is actually covered for loss. So their customer is covered up to $5,000 for their loss if a handyman happens to be certified by us and they take money, don't complete a job, and disappear. And that is a concern in this industry, because half the time people aren't even who they say they are, and the customer only knows them as Jose or Joe or John or whatever, and they see a sticker on their truck, and there's supposed to be trust, but unfortunately people are not always honest. So the UHA came up with a certification program to try to level out that honesty. So for 13 cents a day, $50 a year, help the association advocate for you, help us change the laws, help us speak out, and get you more work, more business, more profitable. This is Flash with Handyman Answers. Happy home repairs. Bye.